Oh Lord, won't you buy me a 64? My friends know I'm Sinclair, I'm an ensign. Tricked out all my lifetime, it's something I adore. So Lord, won't you buy me a 64? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a CD-TV? My friends all have Mickeys, and I'm on PC. I wait for delivery each day until 3. So Lord, won't you buy me a CD-TV? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a night dresser? I'm counting on you, Lord. Please don't give a shot. La 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 la. Prove that you love me while beer and schnapps spreading. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a night with the days? Oh, God's sake.
Mm-hmm.